If there were no words, no way to speak, I would still hear you. If there were no tears, no way to feel inside, I'm still here for you. And even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance ran out of rhyme, you still love my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. All of my life, I have been waiting for all you gave to me. To open my eyes and show me how to love unselfishly. I've dreamed of this a thousand times before. In my dreams I could and love you more. I will give you my heart until the